So let's look at keyboard focus. I'm here on the W3C Web Accessibility Initiative page, the w3.org/WAI. I've recently loaded the page and I'm just going to press the tab key and you can see that focus went to the skip to content link in the upper mid right of the screen. And I'm going to press tab again. It says change text size or colors. And then again, we have all translations. So that's sort of a top menu, kind of a mini menu, it's the general menu rather than a more specific menu on the page. So then I'm going to tab once more and we see the W3C logo in the upper left. It got focus, it has a border, it also changed colors. So there, we used two different initiatives to show the focus. Now I'm going to press it again, same thing. The Web Accessibility Initiative WAI link at the top of the left also changed color. I'm going to keep going. Tab, it says get involved. Tab again, about W3C Way. We have a nice white border, good contrast. We see the search field, we see the search button. And now we get into the menu, the navigation menu for this site. And the first thing it does, it was a blue with the white text, the dark blue. It's changed color. It has a white border. It has changed to a black background with white text, and the word accessibility fundamentals also has a yellow underline. So lots of different techniques and tools to show us where focus is. I'm keeping to tab through that top level navigation. Hide section, that button, if we shift tab backwards, we see that hide section in the upper mid right was white with white background with blue text, and then now we have a button that says hide section, and it's got a border. It's now blue, dark blue with white text, and it's showing us that we could collapse it. And then if I keep going, you can see one more link there at the bottom middle of the screen now that we've highlighted the links within text that are underlined. So let's move to another site. And again, I'm not making fun of any particular site, but here's one that's an outdoor clothing company. So I've recently loaded this page, so let's see where we go with focus. I'm pressing the tab key. I don't see focus. I press tab again and again. And again, we have a menu at the top here that has the company name, outlet, used gear, Alliance, free express shipping, free returns, and then there's another more general navigation menu to find men's, women's, explore, a search. There's a bunch of pictures, a woman with a jacket. There's a big explore button, but I'm pressing tab and nothing. I can see nothing. I'm pressing it a lot, but there's stuff here. So now, if you notice, those of you, it's kind of small to see, but you can see in the lower left, you can see that I am on a link. I'm on used gear at this company name. And if I tab again, you can see that I am up in that upper top menu that's in the very top of the page, that's black bar with white writing. And if I tab again, we get to returns, which I'm guessing is here in this middle page. Another one with the product service, so that would be this limited warranty here again. And if I keep going, we're now at the home page link. I can see the name, and now we're at men's. But there's nothing visible on the screen. The only reason I can tell that I have any focus is because of this status bar in the lower left. But notice if I hover over men's, there is a ton of links here. There's lots of things to do. But as a keyboard user, I would not be able to use this site if I could only use the keyboard. So that's just an example of how a site really needs to show focus if they want people to work. Again, I'm not trying to make fun of any particular company. They are not the only one. They just happen to be one that I found.